Morning class, we were discussing innovation or investment expenditure. I have taught you the meaning of this word. Now, today we will discuss their types. Okay, so it can be divided into two parts. First one is fixed investment and second one is inventory investment. Okay, so these are the two categories of fixed investment expenditure, which is fixed investment and inventory investment. What will be the meaning of fixed investment? So fixed investment refer to expenditure by producers on the purchase of fixed assets like plant and machinery. Economists often classified fixed investment as business fixed investment by the household in term of construction of house, and third one is public fixed investment or fixed investment by the government, like expenditure on government on the construction of road, dams, bridge, etc. Okay, so here we have to keep in mind there are three things which are included in fixed investment. First one is business fixed investment. Second one is fixed investment by households, and third one is public fixed investment or fixed investment by government. Okay, so these are the three things which we will have to keep in mind while calculating the gross domestic capital formation, and the part of it is fixed investment. Second one is inventory investment. So in inventory investment, it refers to change in stock during the year. As noted earlier, it is estimated as the difference between closing stock and opening stock. Okay, so this was the first fixed investment. Now, how can we calculate inventory investment? So that inventory investment we can calculate by change in stock is equal to closing stock minus opening stock. Okay, beta. So this is the formula how can we calculate the closing or change in stock. And the fourth component is net export. Net export will be what? Export minus import. When we deduct import from the export, it gives us net export. Okay, so these were the component of expenditure method. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.